which is question. The correct answer choice is answer choice B. Next on the list is very important and also very difficult question, which um, which unfortunately has similar questions such as this one have recurred in the past. So it's very important to pay attention. It's very important to pay attention to sources and the methodology, because textiles have always been an extremely important chapter, and of course textiles are discussed within provisions of from chapter 50 to chapter 63, but not always, because we do have some textiles that can be covered in other provisions. Plastics would sometimes also covers textiles, and therefore it's a in one way it's an amorphous concept. In another way, this concept also has a methodology. So the methodology within the context of textiles is extremely important. And once you get the basic ingredients down, it will make your life a lot easier. So this particular question presents a good opportunity to discuss it. So let's dive in and talk about question 39. All right. So what is the classification of a man's hip-high jacket? So we do know. So as we're gonna read along, what we'll be doing is outlining the relevant facts, and there is a lot of relevant facts. But we go, and again, even if you do not know what's going on, focus on the nouns and focus on some high level technical descriptions, because those guys will or may play a role further down the line, as we saw within the context of matching facts that are stated in the fact pattern to the factual provisions stated within the HTS-US. So all right, so we do know that this is a jacket. So that's the key. This is a jacket. We do know that it has an outer layer of nylon woven fabric. So important, very important, woven versus knitted or crocheted. Chapter 61 versus chapter 62. Cannot underline its importance enough. So if we, let me see, let's go to the view. No, thanks. Okay, so section 11. Those are the key provisions. This is whatever we wear is pretty much dwells and lives in those two chapters, chapter 63 and chapter 61. I'm sorry, chapter 61 and chapter 62. A lot of this stuff, chapter 63 is the stuff we sleep on, flags, also miscellaneous items, but 61, 62 are the keys, and what they both cover apparel and clothes and accessories. And the difference between 61 and 62 is one, for the most part, not always. There is an exception. There is an exception to the undergarment. I believe it's 6210. They do cover knitted or crocheted items. But don't worry about those exceptions. Those exceptions have been tested, but they're pretty rare. What is important here is to take a note and underline if you as you work your material, underline, highlight that 61 refers to knitted and crocheted items, and the 62 refers to items that are not knitted or crocheted. Take your pen out and write down woven, because usually if an item is woven, it's a buzzword, it would be stationed in chapter 62. So the next, of course, we deal with the notion of various textiles, right? Which those clothing accessories or the articles of apparel are made. But this is the key here.